All right, we're doing slope, and slope is the steepness of a line, which is really the change in the rise compared to the change in the run, and that's how in math we make it a number. It's going to end up being a fraction, that is how much the y value changes, or the difference in our 2 points of y, and the run, which is the difference in the x values. So if we're given 2 points, the first thing we want to do is label each point as point number 1 and point number 2. And then we're going to label our x and y values. That's an x, that's a y, and this is point number 1. So that's x1, y1, and this is our x value and our y value, and this is point number 2. So on our coordinate graph, we have 2 points, and we're finding the slope between these 2 points. So the first thing we do is find the difference in the rise, or the y values, the difference in the two y values. So we're going to take x2 minus, which means difference, x1, negative 4, that becomes a positive, over the x2 minus the x1. We must use the same point as that first number. This is y of 0.2. This is x of 0.2. So we're going to start with the x of 0.2. That's negative 3 minus, and then the x of 0.1 is negative 1. So that's also a positive. So that's going to equal 4 over negative 3 plus 1 is negative 2. We can change this fraction, we can simplify it, but we must leave it as a fraction. So I could simplify it and make it 2 over negative 1, and that would also be correct. The word problem on the homework practice side, number 7. So, homework practice number 7. Find the slope of a roof, this is the roof, of a home that rises 8 feet for every horizontal change of 24 feet. We just need rise over run. Slope is rise over run. So I drew out the triangle. Our rise is 8. Our run is 24. So that's the slope. The slope is 8 over 24. For every 8 feet it goes up, it goes across 24 feet. And the last thing I'm going to do is just check the positive or negative of slope. When we're thinking of slope, we always start on the left. And I like to think of skiing. Put some skis. And we start on the left, and this guy, if we're traveling on this line, we are going up in a positive direction. This is a positive slope. If the line is going down like that, and we had our guy with skis on, and we're going down a hill, that would be a negative slope. Negative slope. So this particular question has a positive slope because he's going up the hill. There is a steepness, a slope to it, and that can be your answer. You can also reduce that to, let's say, 4 over 12, or 2 over 6, or 1 over 3. They are all the same slope. For every rise in 1 foot, we run 3 feet. We have a horizontal change of 3 feet.